Okay, so day 2 of driving these posts in the ground about 3 feet deep. He finished the north side yesterday. He'll finish this one probably in about an hour. So we did get a little break. We have some cooler temps right now. A nice wind is blowing through and there's cloud, but before this, it was stifling hot. Okay, guys, he got 50 posts set 3 foot deep. Next goes up the bows. So far we've got about 3 days tied up and what's been going on here with the high tunnel. That's including adding the 2 piles of soil and the poles. So I think it's probably going to take a little more time for him to add up the bows or to put up the bows. I think my brother-in-law is going to come over and help him because he'll need it, but he thinks he can do some of the assembly himself, but he'll just need help. Go ahead and put him in each of these poles. After that, he'll start building the end walls and adding the baseboards all around the bottom. So we have some storm clouds. We have some storm clouds a little to the east of us. We do hope that we get some rain. We did get some yesterday or day before yesterday. It was nice, but still got cracks in the ground in areas where we hadn't modified the soil, so we need a little bit more rain to come our way. The cool breeze really is helping out a lot when the sun is hidden behind the clouds. But anyway, so this is where we're at. Thank you for watching. We will be in touch as we continue to add to this beautiful, ginormous high tunnel. Now, I will tell you that I did some measurements this morning, and I think that we're going to be able to get about 500 plants, certain plants in this high tunnel. 500. So that is what we're starting with. Again, we'll be starting our seeds in the next week. I already have some started. That front high tunnel got cleaned out yesterday. Still got a couple more things to do to it and pull up some old tomato vines and stuff like that. And then we'll be planting in that as well. So lots of planting going on. It is coming up on us really quick. Be sure and get your seeds on order, guys, for your fall vegetable gardening, because it's coming much quicker than we expect. Take care. God bless. Have a wonderful day.